So as you can see right about now, I've figured out how to use my USB microscope, and you can see here I'm just looking at my watch just to see what detail I can get on it. So here's the watch, just like that. You can move it about. What you want to do is put it on a little stand to start off with, and then you can actually zoom in. So if I go to about there, and the bottom of it, we can go and magnify it even further and see how well. But as you magnify it further, you have to get closer to it. So if I get really close, like so, oh, you could look at those individual little. Okay, wait, that's the screen. Zooming out, let's zoom in. Okay, that's as close as I can get without. Oh, okay, we're getting some serious closage now. There. So that is the individual time mark. Let me go back. So that's there. So I'm basically filling the screen. Let's move back totally. Zoom in slightly. So there we go again. Just make it sharp enough. So considering, let me get rid of that on the screen to show you what we're doing. So right now there, if I zoom in with the camera, we're kind of getting, when my camera's zooming, actually my camera would zoom about here. But if I want to go ultra zoom mode, all I do is bam, and then move over here and get you an even closer look. And I could get closer than that if I wanted to. That is pretty good. If you're doing any type of work where you want to get really close, this would be a good option. A quick USB camera, plug straight in. What have you got to lose? You need to pick yourself up one right about now, people.